Awufundisi. Ayi ngithi ngimamela la. Ay. Une language ayikhulumayo ngidanene nomfundisi uMageba straight.
Awuvuthwa ngokubaselwa saqapha senyele sinambathi samshisa uTamsanga ngoba kuba mbukhalo. Ngingele ukudla iqela usobuye ukudla umfula wompahla zomntanami zemuka namanzi.
Udume ngani?
Ukuthi ngibaleke so ngangigula kahle grand so ukugula kwami ngiba umuntu othi nginemimoya kunemimoya ehamba nami sekumele manje kuba ngitshele ngokuthowaza mina ngiyithandela ukufunda. All of us we are engineers ekhaya. So mangifike university I went to vets, I studied BSc ku chemistry. Bangitshela ukuthi no man, if any man be in Christ, 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17 is a new creation. All things are passed away. Okusho ukuthi ungazibaleka noma ungazisusa nje zonke lezi zinto ukhohlwe into zamadlozi nezinto zokuthi kukhona abantu abadala asithandaze mfana yonke lento le uyikhona. Went into ministry ngasebenza ngaba nezinto but there's a turning point la kuphela khona izinto zami. Simply because I'm not accepting ukuthi who am I kahle abantu kufanele ngibasize ngayiphi indlela. Manje mosokutshela ukuthi kufanele ngijise impepha ngihlanganise i-rooibos tea ngenze siwasho uyangiconfuse. So to a certain extent I even got married. My wife ngimthole esontweni labazalwane and sengishadile manje sekumele ngiyothwasa.
Ngishilo mina ngathi le bunch leli liyangisayinela leli lifana enye indoda bathi umama abula eParliament bathi hey date my wife.
Namhlanje mina ngihamba ama podcast because not necessarily to advertise myself but to educate and to make people love this thing because mina lento ya preachwa kimi ngendlela wrong and I hated it. Everything inobuhle nobubi bayo. But kufuneke bese sikwazi ukuthi yonke imimoya masikhuluma ngemoya yamandiki namandawe, masikhuluma ngemoya wethunywa, masikhuluma ngemoya ngokuhlukahlukana kwayo ifika ibamba abantu ukuthi le mimoya ihlambuluka kanjani. There's what we call demons and angels. Kodwa ngapha esisintwini umuntu wazi ukuthi idlozi into nje embi. And you are not aware ukuthi ikhona vele ukuthi kukhona idlozi elibi kukhona futhi nedlozi elihle. Idlozi nalo liyadinga a process of what? Of cleansing. So that ngoba sazi ukuthi khona abantu ababenenhliziyo ezimbi la ekhaya kunemimoya la ezofika idlozomela abantwana noma ingene kumuntu. Kodwa leyo moya it does not necessarily mean imoya esiyidingayo noma esifuna ukuyi-entertain.
Mabefa abantu bayapi? Likhona vele impela izulu or kuyokwenzakalani. And then vele impela siyoma sifollicule lapha and then basho ukuthi bongana wadla abafazi babantu or kwenzakaleni ziyovela zonke nalezi zinto lezi. Abanye bebephika ukuthi vele bona benza 1 2 3 4 5 abanye bebeyigebengu benza this and that. So lezi zinto ekuphileni lempilo esiphilayo ngapha zibaluleke kangakanani ukuthi sizihoye ngesixhosa sizinake.
Izibalulekile mpephetha ngoba life is a continuation.
Angibafuni mina abantu abatekatekayo.
But number one we must establish ukuthi izulu akusinto engekho leyo. Umuntu umefa uyakwaba kubo.
Were you speaking the same language useso prophet?
Cha.
Okay.
No.
Manje so wazi kangcono.
I graduated.
Okay. Hayi. Ubongani uhlahla amehlo.
I graduated.
Ufuna ukuphikisa ubongani behind the scene. Ay interesting the conversation. Qhubeka mntaka.
Ukuthi that's when you understand ukuthi kunezinye izinto eziyimfihlo empilweni that cannot be subjected to a book which is the Bible. That is why what we need to focus on more it's not to talk about the darkness. Ukuthi emhlabeni when I walk into this room and it's dark I don't say hey kumnyama la, I look for the light. Once I switch on the light it's okay.
But uyamuzwa umuntu ophilayo lo muntu lo ukhabulile blind.
Atheka abanye ozakwethu abathanda ukukhuluma ngemoya yezithwala ngemoya yobuthakathi ekulendima esikuyo. Abantwana bami mangizohlala la kuwe mina Mpephethe ngithi mina ngiyathwalisa ngisebenzisa icubu zabantu. Abantwana bami bazodlala nobani esikolweni. Yabona sifuna ukuthi abantu bayihalele lento yethu yesintu bayi understand indaba yemoya izibuye emasisweni ukuthi ikhona into enje, because sometimes there are problems that are created because there is there's a disconnect spiritually.
Families la kuba khona nje umuntu oyi-1 ohlukile angazi ngizothi special or real ahluke lo muntu ahluphe bongani whether usisi whether ubhuti whether uyini mara kube ne-family member umuntu ongena kuthula mfethu nilungisa kanjani le kune family member kunomwaduba lo muntu lo atshintshe lo kwangapha phiqiphiqi mene kucabana kwafika yena kuyaziwa ukuthi hayi khona ayihambani niyolala manje ngeke siphumule yilo.
Better umuntu is a spirit. Umuntu is not what you see. So kusho ukuthini lokho? Ukusho ukuthi spirits can be invaded. Okusho ukuthi umuntu can be possessed. Okusho ukuthi umuntu can be influenced.
Unabantu okuhlala nabo umuzwe lo muntu ukuthi umbuza reason akugayi excuse.
Before uza kimi wena uthi awunanhlanhla wena ubathe ufuna umsebenzi awutholi manje sofuna ngikuthwalisa. The first thing I must ask you, wonke umntwana mefika emhlabeni ufika afumbethe. Kupho kwakho kufumbethe? Kwenze njani? So it means something went there's a corruption somewhere. Asibuyele emuva ukuthi what could be wrong? Ngoba sifuna ama-answer nje singawatholi. It means our system and our line of work ayikho right. Umsamo wethu utshekile.
Abantu bakhona abane-aura, a dark aura. Make vele uyambona ngamanye wedada wenkukhu engulube wani ukuthi hey
wenze njani?
Uze ngomthandazo wakhona futhi bakazocala ukuthi la lo muntu ubiza ezinye izinto thina singazazizwa yena une-language yakhe one edladleni. Yes sesumamami wahamba inyanga waze waspina nenyanga athi abenokuthatha ibisi libeke phezu kwendlu qoqa impukane sesigayi sithathe le msizo ebhetri sifake la sithi waza uthi ngiyababa sithi ungathi amakhosi ayababa kule into wathi sigenamba qomise ngayo.
When you are truly called and you truly have a calling, leyo nto leyo awudingi nokusho, siyayibona siyayizwa futhi kuwe. Unfortunately yibo abantu labo ubunyanga nokwelapha kuyimfihlo, and that is why we have a lot of attacks uma siza kuma podcast, because people feel ukuthi no, these things are not talked about, but it's because of the approach abanayo. We are trying to get rid of lezi igebengu. We're trying to tell people ukuthi no ukuthi ubona umuntu efaka inyawo lenkukhu uyabona mina ngifaka lutho anginalutho